How a problematic ankle sets off a chain reaction of pain. Hello there. At the pain center, we commonly see people coming in with pain in their lower back, their hips, and their groins. That is all because of a pain that they had in their ankle. Even long after the pain injury has come in and went, more often than not, that initial ankle problem and ankle injury results in long-term effects in and around the ankle, such as poor flexibility and strength. However, our foot is the first point of contact when taking every step when we're walking. So over time, if that decreased flexibility and strength affects and changes how you walk, eventually this leads to you straining certain muscles as well as other muscles getting excessively weaker. This just sets off a chain reaction of pain moving up from your ankle all the way to your knee, your groin, and your lower back, thus making your pain a lot more worse in regions that weren't supposed to initially get pain. So if you would like to have the root cause of your pain addressed, come see us today at the Pain Center.